Hello everyone, it's Dale here with new day trading analysis. Today I'd like to talk about gold. So what you see before you is NinjaTrader 8 platform with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP indicators. This is gold futures chart and it is a 30-minute time frame. And in today's video, I'd like to talk about the overall situation on gold, which is downtrend here, rotation zone in here, and now it looks like there could be a breakout of that rotation zone and possibly start of a new uptrend. Now the breakout of this rotation is not as clear yet because first the price would need to move above this point, the highest point of that rotation. So the price needs to go past it and move above it. Then we'll know for sure then this is not a false breakout, because what could happen is that this could be a false breakout and price could continue downwards, continue in this downtrend, right? So we need to see the price move up again, rotate above the level, maybe go higher, but we need to see some price action above that, all right? If we do see some price action above this level, then what comes into play is this support zone, which I drew here, this one, at 2375.5, because this is based on a trend setup. This level is based on a trend setup, but first we need to see that there is a trend. We need to be sure that there's a trend, the new uptrend, right? If there is, then we can trade from this heavy volume zone, from the beginning of it, that's the level, because this is a place where buyers were active, adding to their long positions here and pushing the price higher from there. So if this really is a start of an uptrend, then those are buyers, and those buyers are likely to defend their long positions. So if there's a pullback, chances are there'll be a reaction. So that's the volume profile trend setup that comes into play when we know that this is an uptrend and not just a false breakout. And there is one more thing that I really like about this support. And the thing is that the price was reacting to this level sharply in here. That means that this level was a resistance, which turned into a support when the price breached past this resistance in here. So this is where it became a support. So it is a price action setup that confirms that volume profile setup, which we have in here, those heavy volumes within this uptrend. All right, so those are the two reasons why I like this level and why I would like to trade a long trade from it. But first, as I was saying, I need to be sure that this is not just a false breakout, and I need to be sure that this is truly a trend, because I'm trading a trend setup with the volume profile. So that's why I need to be sure that this is truly a trend, not just a false breakout, right? Because this huge buying candle occurred in the Asian session, and frankly, I don't really trust candles like this, which are formed in the Asian session. It would be way better if this was formed during the European or the US session or the Euro-US overlap. So we need to be careful. If we don't see some more buyers jumping in and accepting higher prices, then this doesn't really mean too much, and it could just be a false breakout. All right, so keep an eye on this and let's see how it plays out. Now, if you guys are interested in learning more about volume profile trading, then head over to my website. It is at trader-dale.com, and if you click this button, then it will take you to a page where you can check out my trading education and custom-made tools. This is volume profile pack, which will teach you everything about volume profile trading and provide you with my custom-made volume profile indicators. Below that, there's the order flow pack, which will teach you everything about order flow trading and provide you with my custom-made order flow and volume profile indicators. Below that, there's a combo where you can get both those together, volume profile and order flow pack for a discounted price. Alright, so that's about that. Thanks for watching the video, and I will be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading.